Are you getting a bad request error code 400 when opening Roblox on your computer? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox error code 400 on your computer. So without wasting any time, let's start. Solution 1. Now this error happens because of network issues. So first, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and just type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type ipconfig /flushdns and hit Enter. This will delete the old DNS server cache from your computer. Next, type in netsh int ip reset and hit Enter. And this will reset your IP protocol stack. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, change your DNS server to an optimized one. To do this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Next, select Manual from here and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the preferred DNS box, set the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to alternate DNS. Here type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now check if you can play Roblox without this error. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, allow Roblox to access the internet through Windows Firewall. To do this, first right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and then select Open File Location. Now click on the top bar here and copy this path. Next, search for Firewall and open up Firewall and Network Protection. Now click on Allow an app through Firewall. Then click on Change Settings and then on Allow another app. After that, click on Browse and paste the copied path to the top bar and press Enter. Now double-click on Roblox Player Beta and you'll be back to the previous window. From here, just click on Add. Lastly, tick these two boxes and click on OK. Now you should be able to open up Roblox without the error. So folks, that's how you solve Roblox Error Code 400 on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.